guys, so it's Vlogmas day 14. About to leave for school and we're at my car. I'm just wearing a senior's 2017 shirt, class of 2017. It's actually not even from my school, it's like just a general graduation shirt for this year that a bunch of people have that we ordered in our graduation thing. And then just blue Rockstar jeans from Old Navy and my black riding boots from Shoe Carnival, I believe. So, about to leave for school. We're having chicken something for dinner. And I'm wearing his shirt because I stole it. And it's dark in here, so he's using his flash because he's too lazy to turn the light on for me to vlog. What? You are.
You are too.
I know. But you don't let me get up.
Go on ahead.
There's something in my eye.
Let me help. Here we have an ugly babe eating. Oh, there she is smacking again. Smack at her mouth.
Why are you sideways?
I'm making it interesting. That's how she actually eats, guys.
Yeah, it is. But not like that, obnoxiously.
You think that would embarrass you at a family dinner? Deal with it. It's kind of saucy.
That's good.
It's kind of thick.
You don't want it dry, right?
It was too thick.
No, it's not. It's filling.
I think it was too thick.
Okay, bye. You can stop recording now.
Look at that cute. Look how sexy she is. She's so cute. Look at her. She's crying. What? Oh, Jesus. What animal are you?
A squirrel.
What does a squirrel make?
Ribbit.
What does a frog make? With a beard. The house?
Yeah.
Where's my house?
We all got one house to go.
What? What is this?
$10. Did you want to buy 3?
Why didn't you buy cheap houses?
I don't need cheap houses. Start building your...
Thanks.
Don't eat it. Ew.
Tastes good.
Oh, that's smart.
Start taking that medicine in the morning.
Yep, glue them together. Nice.
I call the extra frosting if there is some.
I've already called it.
What?
I can't believe I saw the frosting I get it. Like, not very much at all.
Can you set it down?
Mom, we don't need to waste any more frosting.
It needs to be thick on top so it can set.
Well, I'll fix your problem.
If we're going to put it all over the house, how is that going to work? Because we have to put it all over the top of the house to put the candy on.
Oh, we're seriously putting the candy on?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's how you make a house.
I thought we were eating the candy.
Well, you
We're
still
not
get
using the candy right at the moment. You want to take those out?
Yeah.
Okay, I had extra icing.
Or we wouldn't have been able to do anything. Ooh, that looks cool. I don't know where we're putting everyone else.
You know, put him back here. Move it.
So now we put it on decoration. So now we like put it up there for everyone to see.